Alright guys, we are here with the Volkswagen because we have not forgotten about the Volkswagen. I've actually been over here 2 times in the last 2 weeks. That doesn't sound like a lot, but once you do a lot of other things, it was okay. Finished gluing stuff down, finished sound deadening, and I finally have some help. Today, my awesome wife is coming to give me a hand, so you'll see her periodically. Sorry guys, she is taken, so you just gotta back off. But we will work on the headliner, because I've been trying to do this for weeks, and I have her to help me. So you've already been test running. We got her hair dryer, took it from the bathroom. She's not super thrilled about that. Got extra glue, because last time I talked with you we ran out of glue. Got some little hammers, got some pieces, got some knowledge. So hopefully we can make this headliner work today. At least get part of most of the gluing pieces in that need to be in, and we can go from there. So we're just going to keep working on the old Volkswagen, get this headliner in, because I'd love to get the headliner in to put the windows in, and then I can start driving it around, since I am paying for it and insured it now, and it's registered and driving, so I can cruise around town in it. Why not? Okay, so this is what we're working on. We're getting the headliner in, and we're hammering down the tabs on the other side so we can stretch it and pull it over and heat it up and get rid of those wrinkles down here and glue that. And I got a new razor, some razor knives to cut slits to pull it around the edges. So I don't know how much I'll instruct how to do this. There's a couple other restoration VW groups that do a way better job explaining, but we are going to work on getting it done. So we have razors, binder clips, 3M90 spray adhesive. So hopefully we can make this all work out and make this headliner go in. Right, so this leather, it's vinyl, it's kind of hard to put down. And glue. I'm definitely having problems on the bottom of the frame, seal, seat area. So my wife's in there holding it down. Hopefully it will finish sticking and stay. And I'm going to jump to the other side, hammer on this next piece, and then we will try to accomplish the same task and glue it down. Put in the new headliner door pillar piece of vinyl. Okay, first piece is in. Glue is drying on both sides. Now the rest of the pieces go here. There's a piece that goes there and a piece goes on top. And all those pieces are sitting on the roof of the Volkswagen. But more to come. More headliner to work on. See if we get more pieces in. Alright guys, you can probably hear it. The heavy rain is here and the tropical storm is upon us. So it just started raining really heavy. Fun! So I'm going to continue on with the headliner. Hopefully I can get it all in tonight. Work on it for a few hours. Maybe fender and fender gaskets. Just so I can soon, I hope, put in the windows into the Volkswagen back here. And then I can put the windows in, have the headliner done, be able to drive it around, park it outside, pull it in and out when I need to work on it, fix a few things, work on the carpet, interior, odd and end stuff. So the goal is to hopefully bust out all the headliner tonight, get it all hung up, glued in, all that. Tell you what, installing this headliner stuff is no joke. It's pretty harder than I thought it would be, to be honest. Pieces are going in, glue is sticking to my hands. Hopefully the pieces are sticking to the glue that's sticking to the car. I got all the sides in, the back piece, the headliner in, as you saw. I just have to glue and tuck in, pins, hammer the top headliner in the rest of the way. And then we'll come back through and trim stuff up and get it ready for the rubber for the windows and get that all sealed and nice and ready so that we can finally get the glass in and be able to move on from there.